Hi, this is Frank the Pest Geek. I want to talk to you about Advion Cockroach Bait Master Shipper Box. Now, traditionally you get it in a pack of 4 tubes or in a box of 5 packs. Well, this is the Master Shipper, and you get a pretty good savings with this if you use a lot of roach bait for cleanouts. This is 10 packs times 4 tubes. So you're getting a total of 40 tubes of roach. The savings is about 2.5 packs. So about the total of 6 tubes is your savings on this. Why do we buy it like this? Well, we use it a lot. We use it exclusively for our roach cleanouts. People will say, well, aren't you worried about getting resistance? And the answer is no. We specialize in residential pest control, and we use this for all of our cleanouts, and most of our properties are one and done. We do this, we do a follow-up, and we get control. We have not experienced any bait avertment with this. In a restaurant situation, that would be different. I would probably move up to the Evolution and use this one, or another brand if I was doing food service. But since we're doing homes, we're not doing restaurants, this product has worked perfectly for us. We have not had any bait avertment. There is no known resistance to the indoxacarb in none of our services. The bait is eaten up, it is accepted, and this is why we use it in that environment exclusively. Once we've gotten control of the roaches, we don't go back and apply bait as a preventive, because if the roaches aren't there, there's no need to apply the bait. So you get basically, I'm going to open it up for you. You can see it's pretty full. And you turn it over, and there are all your little packs of roach bait. Let's see, there you go. And you can see it's the Advion. It is not available in the new Advion Evolution. I wish it was, because I would buy that too. I've used both. We've never had a problem. We switched back to this because of obviously of price. It is a lower cost for us. And there is a substantial savings if you were doing a lot of apartment buildings where we're doing a lot of those cleanouts. Sometimes we'll take over an association building and we're doing maybe 20 to 30 units in a day. So this is a great value. It's from Advion. Ask your supplier for it. Target, Univar, whoever it is that you buy your supplies from, they should be able to get this for you. Hey, if this video has been helpful to you, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. Hey, this is Frank the Pest Geek, wishing you a pestacular day.